Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about welding, trimming, intersection, and the rest. So when you have two shapes, or if you want to create other shapes on your own, for instance, I have this shape and then I have this shape, and then I want to create a shape out of it, I can put this one somewhere here, select the two. Now when I select the two, I'm going to see these options over here. Now the first option is weld, so when I click on it, it becomes one shape like this. So now I have two shapes combined for me to get one shape. I have this, maybe I have the ellipse attached to this side, something like this. Always make sure that you select the two. Now to select, make sure that the selection is on all of them like this, and then you leave your mouse. If it is like this, half of this, the rectangle or the square will be selected, but the ellipse will not be selected. So make sure you click, you drag like this to select the two, and then the second one is to trim. So I click on it, then I trim. After trimming, I can take this off, and I have this shape. Let's put this one aside, and then let's continue. So I can also do something like this. Click to select the two, and then the third option, which is what intersect. So click on it, and there's something. This will be created. So this is what has been created out of the two, like this. So let me use the same thing, and then select the fourth one, which is what simplify. So simplify it, you are going to get something like this. Alright, so still creating shapes. Okay, so let me put this one somewhere here like this. Select the two. So the fifth one, which is what front minus back. So front minus back. So mind you, this is in front, so front minus back. You see the back one is eliminated. So this one is also back minus front. So we are going to get something like this, and then we also have create boundaries like this, which is going to create something like this out of it. Yeah, so let's see what we can do with this. Now we're going to create a simple logo out of it. So I'm going to draw a perfect circle. So hold the control key and I click and drag to draw a perfect circle, and then click, hold the shift key to duplicate, right click. Now move to this. Now you see when you move on the line, you are going to see edge. Move till you see quadrants here. You're going to see quadrants here. Then click, drag till you see another quadrant. You see edge, don't leave it. Make sure you see quadrant, then you leave it. Then I can select the two, and then click on what? The trim, to create a shape out of this. Now I will draw my rectangle here like this. Click on the select tool, select all of them, and then trim again. Hold on. Alright, so from here you select the two this way, then you click on the weld to get something like this. So now let's take this out. Let me reduce the size of this, and then let's take this one also out. Actually, let me reduce the size of this as well. Then let me put it somewhere here. Now I need a copy of this. So click, drag, and then right click to duplicate, and then click on the mirror over here, mirror vertically and horizontally to get something like this. So I'll come to this, I click, drag, and put it here, somewhere here, right? So I have my logo. So come here. Now I can select the two this way and then control J to group, and I can place this one somewhere here and then select all of them again, and then press the C to align it to the center. Now I can ungroup it again. Go to ungroup, select ungroup here, and click here, select your color, right click to color the outline here, select your color. I don't like this, so I'll choose something like this. Now any color you select will appear over here. So if I click hold like this to get all the colors, I select this, automatically it's going to show here, so I can choose them from here. Then I want this to be yellow, so I have something like this, and then voila. TV3. Let me make it bold, increase it a little. Limit, and then type 3 over here, and then drag this one somewhere here like this. And then push it somewhere here a little. Yeah, so we have our TV3 logo design perfectly well. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.